Well, a fine good afternoon, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. I'm in Burlington, Vermont today, and this place right here, this blue house, is the subject of today's video. I'm on North Willard Street, which is a very busy thoroughfare. It's Route 7. So, I do apologize for the traffic, but of course I can't control that. This is the Charles R. Palmer House. It is an historic house, 201-203 North Willard Street in Burlington, Vermont. Built about 1911. It is a well-preserved example of an American Foursquare duplex in the city's Old North End neighborhood and was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2005. The Charles R. Palmer House stands in a mixed residential area on the eastern side of Burlington's Old North End neighborhood, on the west side of North Willard Street between Russell and Pomeroy Streets. It is a two-story wood frame structure with a hip roof pierced by hip roof dormers. And that's a dormer, and that's a dormer over there too. There may be another one on the back side, but I don't see it. I can't see it from here. Its exterior exhibits a variety of stylistic architectural elements, including bands of wooden shingles between the first and second floor, which are otherwise finished in wooden clapboards. And we can see them right along here. And let me go ahead and zoom in for you so you can see that. See? Pretty nifty, no? Love those kinds of details. It has a single-story porch extending across the front with turned posts and decorative brackets. And we can see those too. Let me zoom in for you. Decorative brackets and turned spindles for the posts. Also nifty. It is covered by a flat roof with a shallow gable at the center above the stairs. The interior is divided into mirror image residential units with L-shaped staircases that retain original balustrades. So, a balustrade, you know, at the top of the stairs, and then the stairs end, but to protect people from falling down those stairs when you're upstairs, that's a balustrade. The house was built about 1911 and is a kit home manufactured by the North American Construction Company, known better by its later name, the Aladdin Company of Bay City, Michigan. The company was a pioneer in the idea of mail-order homes, and this is an example of its common quote-unquote Devon duplex. Devon, capital D-E-V-O-N. Burlington was at the time experiencing rapid growth, and a number of similar houses line Willard Street and other nearby streets. In fact, we can see the yellow house next door is also a Foursquare style house. Pretty similar to the one we're talking about today. Alright, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the American Foursquare style house so that when you're walking down the street you can impress your friends with this kind of information. It's just kind of fun stuff, and who doesn't like to talk about style? The American Foursquare, so Foursquare is either spelled as one word or two, is an American house style popular from the mid-1890s to the late 1930s. A reaction to the ornate and mass-produced elements of Victorian and other revival styles popular throughout the last half of the 19th century. The American Foursquare was plain, often incorporating handcrafted, quote-unquote, honest woodwork. A must-purchase from a mail-order catalog. This style incorporates elements of the Prairie School and the Craftsman styles. It is also sometimes called transitional period. The hallmarks of the style include a basically square, boxy design, 2 1/2 stories high, usually with 4 large boxy rooms to a floor, a center dormer, and a large front porch with wide stairs. The boxy shape provides a maximum amount of interior room space to use a small city lot to best advantage. Other common features included a hip roof, arched entries between common rooms, built-in cabinetry, and craftsman-style woodwork. A typical design would be as follows. First floor, from front to back. On one side, the living room and dining room, while on the other side, the entry room or foyer, stairway, and kitchen. Sometimes a bathroom was also included. Second floor, front to back. On one side, bedroom, bathroom, and bedroom, while on the other side, bedroom, stairway, and bedroom. The bedrooms had a slightly longer dimension along the front and back of the house. With side-by-side closets between the bedrooms. This gave a very efficient layout with a bedroom in each corner and a centralized bathroom and stairway. The top floor was generally just a big open space with 1 to 4 dormers. The basement generally contained a large natural convection furnace or boiler. So that gives you some idea of an American Foursquare. And just to talk a little bit about the mail order era. The Foursquare was a popular mail order era style along with the California bungalow. When one was ordered, it came in a boxed car with a book of directions and all the parts pre-cut and numbered for self-assembly. These homes are particularly common in neighborhoods near rail lines built in this era. The largest mail order house catalog companies were Sears and Aladdin, and this, of course, was an Aladdin house. Alrighty, well, thanks so much for watching my video today. I truly appreciate it. If you're enjoying my content, I would ask that you subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. And